Hey friends, did you know that you can use your home printer to print directly onto some fabrics? Like this one. This print is on this fabric, and I'm going to show you, oopsie, exactly how to do it. So fun. So the first thing you're going to need is, of course, some thin fabric. Make sure it's super duper thin. And then you're going to want printer paper and a glue stick. You're going to put your paper, or I'm sorry, your fabric onto your paper. Now, I am making 5x7 prints, and they're going to be centered on the page. And so I cut my fabric 6x8, okay, because I want them in the center. I'm making a banner for my daughter's baby shower. So I take my glue stick, and then I'll lift it up just a little bit, and I'll lay down just a light line of the glue onto the paper. So the fabric is just kind of tacked on, okay? You don't want it to be permanently on the paper, and so don't be heavy on your glue, all right? And you only want to do just 3 sides, and you don't even really have to go all the way down, okay? And so then what you're going to insert this directly into your printer, and I'm going to show you that next. We're printing this eggplant print next. So I'm going to make sure that I change my photo size to 5x7 because that's the size that I want, and then I'm going to hit print. Get right out of town. Look at that. Perfectly printed on our paper. Now make sure, I'm sorry, on our fabric. Now make sure that you go ahead and take it off that paper. You don't want it to be permanently attached to the paper, but where you just lightly added that glue, it should just peel right off. And now you have your pretty print on your fabric. I'm going to be turning all of these printed pennants into a banner for my daughter's baby shower, and I can't wait to show you. I hope you like this technique and that you'll try it. Let me know in the comments if you will, and make sure you're following My Eclectic Treasures. These prints and more are available on our Etsy shop, My Eclectic Treasury. Thanks for watching, friends.